I am symbol of love. I smell very good. Who am I? Who am I? Can you guess? I am Rose. We for worship, bright in color, good for healthy hair. Ever need and ever need. Hibiscus. Are you bright and yellow, big and tall, always moving with the sun? Who am I? Who am I? I am sunflower. I grow in water. I'm a nasal flower. Gods are sitting on me. Who am I? Who am I? Bright lotus. I grow in Netherlands and they're very expensive. You use me for decoration. Who am I? Who am I? Can you guess? Tulip. I am yellow in color, everyone juicy, everyone loves me, no one denies me. Who am I? Can you guess? Mango. If you eat me every day, keep Dr. Brown away. Who am I? Can you guess? Apple. I am juicy and vitamin C, good for heart and kidney. Who am I? Can you guess? Orange. They are cute and red, rich in fiber, look like a girl. Can you guess who am I? Strawberry. Saukatin, kabhi kabhi. No one likes to eat me. Please eat me. Good for healthy. I am pear.
Grapes. Grapes है क्या?
I am not an iron. Comes with bunch. Green, black, purple, red. I want to be with my family always. Can you guess who am I? Grapes. apple.